Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have 2025 CF Moto 800 metric tons, the best new adventure motorcycle you must buy. The 2025 CF Moto 800 metric tons is an impressive contender in the adventure bike market, offering a 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with a solid power output of around 75 horsepower. With a focus on long-distance touring, the 800 metric tons is equipped with advanced ride modes, a comprehensive TFT display, and upgraded suspension to enhance comfort and stability on all terrains. 2025 CF Moto 800 metric tons. MSRP $9,999. Engine 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled. Power 75 horsepower. Torque 72 Newton meters. Transmission 6-speed gearbox. Seat height 32.3 inches. Weight 485 pounds. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Features: ride modes, sport, touring, off-road. TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. Cornering ABS and traction control. Adjustable suspension. Luggage racks and panniers available. LED lighting and handguards for additional protection. Chassis and suspension. The 800 metric tons features a robust twin-spar aluminum frame, designed to handle both street and off-road conditions with confidence. Fully adjustable suspension, front and rear, allows for customized performance, offering 180mm of front travel and 200mm of rear travel for tackling diverse terrain. Design. The 800 metric tons combines a sporty yet rugged design, with sharp lines, an aggressive front end, and large, protective handguards. The TFT display and adjustable screen provide a modern touch, while its stance reflects a focus on off-road capability. Target audience. Aimed at adventure riders who want a well-rounded bike that performs on both long highway rides and technical off-road trails. Best suited for riders looking for versatility, comfort, and reliability at a competitive price.